Hey everyone, I have another Etsy shop order. The Rusty Peacock, who is Rosemary Morris here on YouTube, puts together a limited number of kits each month. I have been very fortunate the last couple of months to snag one, and I have them all with me in the RV now, except for this one that I just got when I came home. And while we're on the road out, I'm going to be putting together her kits, and I'm taking my laptop and my other webcam, and I will be videoing and doing walkthroughs when I finish them. So, without further ado, let's get into this one. Let's see. The Rusty Peacock, Papers and Textiles to Die For, DYE, Rosemary Morris. Etsy is the Rusty Peacock. So, I don't remember what this kit was. But whatever it is, it's going to be awesome because they always are. I'm going to have to rip this. I'll put it in another bag because that gooey stuff will just grab hold of it. I am still working on the Art Nouveau one because it is just so awesome. It's taking me a while to work on it. So I've got some napkins here. A little piece of a flower. A floral napkin. More. I have these. I love this napkin. I have this set. Oh, look at here. She gave us the alphabet stencil. Well, I got DEF. Oh, cool beans. I like this. Oh, wow. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I guess it would help if I got it in camera, huh? Some cut up canter cloth. I know this one is the one after the chickens because I haven't started that one yet. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, I think this is the faux leather. Some sort of other. Yep, that's what this one is. I make a cute little traveler's notebook to put in my purse. Wow. Oh boy. County Court Docket. Ellsworth County, Kansas. Cool. A lot of this docket paper here. Tissue paper. Oh, look at these. Vintage pictures. I am going to have a blast with this kit. I already know it. My mind's just swirling as I'm looking at it. I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. Cardstock. Cool. So this is the kit. You can let your imagination run wild. You can follow Rosemary Morris and make it the way she makes it. I know exactly what I'm going to do with mine. And it involves something that Johnny from the Junk Journal Shop showed recently on her channel. And Erin Klossner and her file folders. And Rosemary Morris's The Rusty Peacock Kit. I love it when I can combine different crafters and artists' work together. And I can't wait to start this one. But I'm going to go in order. I'm going to finish the ones I have. Oh, it's going to be so hard to not come right straight to this one. I want to do this one now. Anyway, this is Rosemary's kit. I'm going to do my best not to start it right away and finish the other ones that I'm working on first. Wow, I want to do this one. You know, Rosemary's going to have to get her own little file basket pretty soon, where I can just stack them in there and make myself do them in the order that I buy them. But anyway, her Etsy shop is the Rusty Peacock, and she sells amazing things. Things you won't be sorry you bought. So, check her out. And on YouTube, she is Rosemary Morris. So, check her out. She shows you how she makes her kits, and you are going to be awestruck. Okay, I'll see you soon. And that's the last of the Etsy orders I have, so you won't see any more Etsy order videos for a while, unless Rosemary puts up another kit. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.